Today I'm going to show you the Codman Pendulum exercise. This is an exercise that is great for the shoulder and rotator cuff, especially those that are, still in a decent amount of pain. This is an exercise or movement that is used to get the shoulder comfortable with movement, and it's also going to kind of pull the shoulder joint open and create just a gentle stretch on the rotator cuff muscle. So how we're going to do this, we're going to take a light weight, somewhere between 1 and 5 pounds. We're going to kind of get some support with one hand, and with the arm that's in pain, we're going to grab our weight and just let it dangle as much as we can. The goal here is to let the arm relax as much as we can and let that weight kind of pull the shoulder joint open. And then from there, we're just going to gently swing our arm. So we create a little pendulum with our arm. Again, just staying as relaxed as possible, letting the weight and the gentle swing kind of open up and stretch some of the deep structures of the shoulder joint. And we can rotate that both directions. We're doing once a little counterclockwise, once clockwise. Just getting some gentle movement into the shoulder. It's used a lot in shoulder rehab cases, often after a torn rotator cuff muscle or something like that. This is one of the first active exercises a patient will do to help open up the joint space and get the body used to moving the shoulder again. So give that a try and see how it feels.